Fat burner drink recipes to lose 30 pounds or 15 kilograms in 15 days. Strongest natural belly fat burner drink for weight loss to easily lose 30 pounds or 15 kilograms in 2 weeks. If you are looking for natural recipes to boost your immunity, to lose weight, to get rid of belly fat, to improve digestion, to reduce the inflammation, to get a flat stomach in 2 weeks and much more, then we have 8 ingredients that we use in 4 different drinks that will be a powerhouse of belly fat loss for you, tried and proven to work. Stay to the end of this video, because I will reveal my belly fat secret no one really uses, but it is powerful. Let's face it, if you have just one drink of the same ingredients twice a day for 2 weeks, you are going to hate having it by day 5 and will give up. That is why we are combining a few different ingredients into 4 power-packed drinks. One of them you can even make at the office or on the go. All recipes are super effective when it comes to weight loss and fat burn. You'll see the inches reduce in no time. You can lose up to 2 to 3 inches of your belly fat in just a week, depending on your body's fat percentage. Just ensure to eat healthy for the rest of the day. For this to work, you will want to take any one of these drinks in the morning on an empty stomach and the other the last thing before bed. Do this for 2 weeks and you will see a noticeable change. If you would like to continue to see the weight drop, continue for the next month because it's completely natural. All we use here are simple ingredients readily available at home or the supermarket or green market. I've tried all of these fat burning recipes and they worked. This is why I created this video to share it with you. So not only do they work, they are also delicious. Each ingredient focuses on burning the stubborn fat. A few very important tips before we start. 1. Wash all fruits thoroughly. You can add vinegar to the water in the sink to clean it better. 2. You will need a blender. 3. Try to select the freshest fruits available. 4. Organic fruits are more nutritious than GMO-grown fruits. 5. Fresh fruits are more nutritious than frozen fruits. 6. You can prepare a large quantity of this belly fat burning drink. Store it in the refrigerator, it lasts for 3 days. Before we start with our powerful drinks, here is why each of the 8 following ingredients is so important in burning your belly fat. Apples are rich in soluble fiber called pectin. Pectin promotes digestion by ensuring smoother bowel movements and stimulating beneficial gut bacteria. The high fiber and high water content of apples promote a feeling of being full, which makes the apples excellent food for weight loss programs. Lemon cleanses the body by stimulating the liver to flush out all its fat-soluble toxins. Lemon has the highest concentration of citrate. Lemon is a natural inhibitor for kidney stone formation. Lemon boosts metabolism and promotes satiety, all of which lead to fast weight loss. Ginger has important anti-inflammatory properties. As we know, pretty much everything, from colds to cancer, is caused by or related to inflammation. Ginger helps the digestive system to work properly. Ginger improves absorption of nutrients in the body. Ginger burns accumulated fat in the abdominal area. Ginger suppresses appetite and revs up metabolism, therefore contributing to weight loss. Cucumbers are high in beneficial nutrients, as well as certain plant compounds and antioxidants that may help treat and even prevent some conditions. Also, cucumbers are low in calories and contain a good amount of water and soluble fiber, making them ideal for promoting hydration and aiding in weight loss. Pineapple contain the enzyme bromelain, which has anti-inflammatory properties and proven to shrink belly fat. Lime water can make you feel full and reduces the appetite. Lime water can also be taken as a meal, which is low in calories and high in minerals and vitamins. The high vitamin C content of limes can boost the immune system and also help the body to break down fat during exercise, therefore promoting weight loss. Spinach is rich in insoluble fiber, which is the key element which helps in weight loss and highly beneficial in getting the extra body fat to leave you alone. Coffee. The reason why coffee is used is because it is rich in caffeine, theobromine and chlorogenic acid, and all these are known to boost weight loss. They help break down fat cells, which our body is able to utilize further in the form of energy, and this helps us lose weight effectively. Both caffeine and chlorogenic acid stimulate thermogenesis, which causes our body to generate heat and energy and burn more calories. Now down to business, here are the 4 belly fat powerhouse drinks. Belly fat drink number 1. 2 green apples. Remove the apple seeds and keep the peels. Chop the apple into small pieces. 2 lemons. Cut in half and squeeze out the juice of the lemons into a glass. 1 piece of fresh ginger of 1 inch, about 2.5 centimeters. Peel off the skin and cut the ginger into small pieces. If you don't have fresh ginger, you can use 1 teaspoon of ground ginger, which is about 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh ginger. Put the 3 ingredients in the blender. Add 1 liter of water, approximately 34 fluid ounce. Blend it until pureed and smooth. Enjoy. Belly fat drink number 2. 1 cucumber, do not peel, but do cut the cucumber into small pieces. 1 piece of ginger, do not peel, just cut into small pieces. 2 lemons, cut and squeeze the juice into a glass. 1 full-size pineapple, we are going to use the whole pineapple. First the skin. Cut the skin from the pineapple, then slice the skin into small pieces. Place the cut pineapple skin and place them in a pot, add 4 cups of water, cover and bring to boil. Then strain and let sit to cool. Next the pineapple fruit itself. Cut the pineapple, not the core of the pineapple, into pieces. To create the drink, add the cucumber, ginger, and pineapple fruit pieces in a blender, add the cooled pineapple skin water. Blend all ingredients until it becomes liquid, pour into a jug and add lemon juice, stir. Enjoy this drink twice daily, ideally in the morning with on an empty stomach. Belly fat burner drink number 3. 2 cucumbers, do not peel, slice the cucumber and cut into quarters. 2 green apples, leaving the skin on, slice the apple and cut into smaller pieces. 1 fresh ginger, peel the ginger so there is no skin left, next slice into smaller pieces. 2 limes, cut in half and squeeze the juice into a small bowl or glass. 2 cups of spinach. Making the mixture. Combine the cucumbers, apples, ginger and spinach and place them into a blender with 4 cups of water. Blend until they turn into a liquid, pour into a jug and add lime juice. Drink this powerful mixture once a day, morning or night. Belly fat drink number 4. This one you can do at the office. With only 2 powerful ingredients, coffee and lemon juice. Coffee, feel free to use the instant coffee powder or black coffee made using coffee beans or coffee pods, but not decaffeinated coffee. The caffeine content in coffee helps with weight management. Place in a cup, 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. If you're using coffee beans or coffee pods, then take 1 cup of hot black coffee. Next, cut the lemon in half, squeeze out the juice, you need at least 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. And finally, fill the cup with hot water and mix all together and enjoy. Congratulations, you are on your way to belly fat loss. There is only one more thing to do, look down at your belly and say your goodbyes. You won't be seeing each other after 2 weeks. Now for my secret, hardly anyone uses, but it is amazing. It is a sliming drink mixture, and it is a bonus recipe. I saved the best for last. Belly fat drink number 5, no blender. 2 lemons, slice the lemon into thin slices. 1 piece of ginger, peel and chop ginger. 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. 4 teaspoons of honey. 400 ml of hot boiling water. Place the cinnamon into a jug, add the water, stir well, add ginger, honey and stir again. Add the sliced lemon and stir again. The hot water draws out all the nutrients and combines them together into a yummy powerhouse of fat-burning goodness. Now pour the liquid into the glass. Try not to get the lemon or ginger into the glass, unless you like eating them. And that is your fat-burning drink with 5 recipes to last you a whole 2 weeks. Now here is my secret to speed boost your metabolism and enhance your belly fat drinks. It is the power of the ingredients in Java. which will do just this. I have noticed an electrifying metabolism boost that burns off fat from problem areas, while enjoying incredible all-day energy, and improves health. Could not be any simpler, easier, or more automatic. To learn more, click the link in the description below. We hope our 5 fat burner drink recipes helps to lose 30 pounds or 15 kilograms in 2 weeks. If you enjoyed this video, hit subscribe and never miss another home remedy and natural cures video again.